So we are holding the Halacha, the laws of the morning, the morning blessings, and the washing of the hands in the morning. So it says, after washing the hands in the morning, after reciting the bracha of Asher Yatzar, a person should make it one continuation. So to have these two brachot, two blessings together. So we're saying Baruch Ata Hashem, Elokeinu melech haolam, al netilat yadayim, and then right after you say the bracha of Asher Yatzar, and continuing with bracha of Elokai neshama shenatata bi. Why? כדי שתהיה ברכה זו סמוכה וקשורה לברכת אשר יצר. So ברכת אלוקי נשמה שנתת בי, which means God, my God, the soul that you have given me, Teorai, it's a pure Teorai, אתה בראתה, אתה יצרת, you created it, and so on. כדי שתהיה ברכה זו סמוכה וקשורה לברכת אשר יצר. So we want them to be continuous, that they will be adjacent to each other. ובכך תהיה סמוכה וקשורה לאמירת ברוך אתה השם שבתחילת ברכת אשר יצר. So therefore they should be connected. אבל מעיקר הדין, הלכה כלי, ברכת אלוקי נשמה אינה צריכה לפתוח בברוך. The ברכה ואלוקי נשמה שנתת בי doesn't have to start with ברוך. We like it to be connected to אשר יצר because אשר יצר start with ברוך. But הלכה כלי doesn't have to be that way. מעיקר הדין, by the letter of the law, it does not have to start with Baruch. Umemele, by the letter of the law, adin la'asmicha leberkat asher yatzar. It doesn't have to have them both together. It's better to have them both together, but it doesn't have to. Kivan shi brachat ha'odah, it's a bracha of thanking. Klomar bracha shetochna, the substance of this bracha, the meaning of this bracha, is blessing ha'odah la Hashem, is thanking Hashem. So therefore, they don't not have to be together. They're better off being together.
What's the name of the halacha?
It's Birkat Asher Yatzar ve'Elokai neshama. This speaking about the bracha of Asher Yatzar that we say in the morning, and right after there's Elokai neshama.